How to use Apple Pay on Eldorado.gg. So just go ahead to your item. Once you have chosen, press on the buy now option. You should be able to see that there is an Apple Pay method. That is true. Just go ahead and press on buy. But if you go ahead in the secure checkout option, you'll be able to notice that the Apple Pay method isn't showing. So there is a little catch you're gonna have to watch out for, or something you're gonna have to do in order to have it show up. Is information by Eldorado.gg themselves. So Apple Pay, one of their payment methods. So it is supported worldwide on Apple devices like an iPhone, Mac, and iPad using the Safari browser. So you can go ahead and choose this method if you are using Safari itself in these devices. So make sure you do have Touch ID enabled to see the payment method. And refunds can take up to 5 business days, but that's a different thing. Verification may be required for this payment method as well. So make sure you have this settled before being able to see the Apple ID option from the payment methods in Eldorado. But that's pretty much how you pay with Apple ID in Apple Pay in Eldorado.gg. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.